Hey y'all, so today is Christmas Day. My name is Rosie, this is Miss Mona. I'm going to be doing 2 unboxings for Influenster products and boxes that I received. I have 2 here and I'm going to make separate videos. So I'll be reviewing this one here first and then I'll be opening this one up separately, and I actually don't know which box this is, so I'll be checking that out once I open it. I'll do a close-up video over on this side once I actually open it. So this one says it's the Just For You box, I guess. There's nothing else on it, and I actually took the poll or the quiz on this about 2 weeks or so. So these came pretty quickly, and I wasn't completely sure if I would be getting them. So this is first look here. So this is going to be, I believe, for hair color. So this is the Joah Color Squad Influencer box, and oh, it's not hair color. It's cream lipstick. Let's see. So it comes in this little package here. It says Joah on the outside. This little heart that says I like it. And let's see. Super adorable packaging. Let's pull these little strings out of the way. Oop, drop some. Okay, and it comes with 3 lipsticks. Super cute. Oh, they're 3 very different colors. So there's like a mauve pink, a brighter pink, and a bright red. The mauve color is called Swipe Right. JLC10 is the number. Then this other one is Soul Sista, JLC04. And the red is Adulting, JLC17. These are really cute. So the packaging is gold and it says Joah on it. I'll be showing you guys a little bit more up close. Okay, I think these are all taped down. They are. Let me pull the tape off. Okay. Oh, cute. So the lipsticks come in this gold tube and they actually have a J imprinted on the top of the lipstick. These are super cute. I'm gonna do a arm swatch. Mona just licked me. This is not sanitary. I changed my mind. I'm going to be washing my hands in a little bit and my arms, put her to bed, and then I'll be doing some swatches of these 3 colors.
I did switch the placement of the lipsticks so it would match the swatches.